Yes, teacher.
So our topic is daydream. Do you know what we can say when we can say it's a daydreaming? What is daydream? Come on, both of you answer. Means whatever
Teacher,
you know about daydream, let me know.
teacher, when we see in the dream, it's called daydream.
What you are saying? Repeat it again.
When we see in the dream, it's called. When we see a dream in a day, it's called daydream.
With open eyes or closed eyes? Say with open eyes or closed eyes, because in night we are seeing the dreams, like when we go to the bed, then we are seeing, right, in a night. So that time our eyes are closed. But what about the daydreaming? That time our eyes are closed or open? Yes,
Teacher, open.
open. Yes, like I'm talking ki one day I will make a castle and I will have many workers, and I was just sitting and having a crown. So this is what I'm daydreaming. Na? It's not happening, but I'm just talking, right? Which may not happen, but right now I'm behaving like such thing is happening with me, right? So that is called daydreaming. Okay. So today not only we are going to read this lesson, but I want you all to see how to read a lesson, which point to be stressed. Yes, each point how to read that sentence, right? Yes. So shall we go? Yes. Now you both have to see how I'm reading. Okay. Once there lived a couple who spent a lot of time in ideal talk. Means like you and me both are sitting and we are talking about something, right? So one day the husband said, I have always wanted to keep cows. What he said, I always feels to keep a cows. If by chance I'll get some extra money from somewhere, I'm going to buy a few cows. What the man was talking about? Yes. What he was saying and whom he was saying all this sentence? Come on.
They won't.
Who was saying this sentence that one day I wanted to have some cows, few cows, and if I'll get a extra money from somewhere, I'm going to buy a few cows. Who is saying to whom?
Husband to wife.
Husband saying to wife, and they were talking. Yeah. Then can you see the image? They both were talking, but that means lot of work. You have feed the cows, walk them, bath them, milk them. Cows need a lot of looking after. One cow would be enough. There is no need to buy more cows, said the wife. Wife what said? Ali, you need to pay attention here, dear. So what wife said, if you buy a more cows, there will be a lot of work for us. We take them to feed, we take them to bath, and to take out their milk. So this is lot of work. One cow is enough for us. But think, all the milk we will get if we buy more, said the husband. What husband said? If you just not don't only think about the work behind the cows, right? You just also think we will get more milk. So this was who was talking this? Who was talking it this? Husband to wife.
Husband to
Yeah, that's true. The wife agreed. There will be so much milk that we can even have a plenty. Plenty means, yes, plenty means what you can say here? What is plenty?
Small amount.
Plenty.
Small amount.
No, more. Plenty means more. You will have even milk that we can even have plenty of dahi, more of ज़्यादा dahi, butter and ghee. ये सारे चीज. Plenty means what you can say, Ali? More. So what you will get? You will get more milk, and from milk you will be having dahi, butter and ghee. Wouldn't it be lovely? Yes. So how lucky that I have all these earthen pots keep aside. Can you see your earthen pots? Can you see here? Which are made from soil. Yes, clay soil. Can you see? So they are dreaming. Yeah, they are talking. कि ये सारे earthen pots क्या हम लोग दूध दही से भर देंगे. So this was their talk amongst themselves. So how lucky that I have all these earthen pots kept aside. I will use one of the pot milk, one for dahi, one for butter. And how I will make use of this pot? Ali, what are you doing, dear? Ali, look at the screen, no? So how that wife going to made use of these pots? She will use one for dahi, milk and for butter. The ghee I will put in another jar. For dahi she will, for ghee she will use jar because ghee cannot be kept in the pot. Okay. Now, and I will use the remaining pot to send milk to my sister. What she said, and another pot of milk I will send to my sister. Then, because we are going to sell it in the market, that's why I will decide what to do with all that milk, and not a drop of it goes to your sister. Remember, who said this? Who said? Husband said, right?
Husband to wife.
Husband to wife. Yes, what he said? Can you tell me in your own words? Can you tell me in your own words what he said? What he mean to say this? Can you tell me? That it will not go anywhere. Remember, it will not goes to your sister. Okay? And what I have to do with the milk, that I will only decide, right? Now, I will see how you can stop me from sending a pot full of milk to my dear sister. Who said this? Wife. Wife said, now let me see how you stop me from sending the milk to my sister. I'll do all the hard working, running after the cow. So naturally, I will decide what will happen to the milk. Just try stopping me. The wife exclaimed. Means wife said, if I'm looking after the cow, I will take the cow for grazing. I will take them to bath. So I can do whatever I want, right? If we are doing hard work behind something, so we can make use of that, right? So that's only wife said to the husband, you cannot stop me giving this pot full of milk to my sister because I'm walking behind the cows, right? Now, what happened? Then what happened? Is that so? Shouted a husband. Husband started shouting. Watch this then. He began to lift and smash the earthen pot one by one. What he started doing? What he started doing, Ali? Yes, Ali?
Earthen
Smash means what? To break them, right? So he began to lift and smash the earthen pot one by one. His wife screamed. His wife began to scream. Yes, now if somebody is doing something, so we say, hey, don't do that, stop, right? So Gopal Bhan who was passing by. Can you see this man who is in yellow kurta? Yes, so that he was passing by, heard all the commotion. Commotion means their quarrel, right? Commotion means here their commotion means what here? Ali, can you repeat it? Commotion means?
Quarrel.
Quarrel means they're fighting when they were doing conversation. Yes. तो जो बात करते वक्त the loudness है ना, they were quarreling with each other, they were debating कि ऐसा करूंगा वो बोली वैसा ही होगा, how you can stop me. So that is called commotion, their quarrel, right? Okay. So, and rushed inside. Can you hear me? Ali.
Yes, teacher, अभी आ रही है आवाज.
Okay, okay. So that Gopal Bhan rushed inside and wait, something is happening. Wait, give me a minute. Because these arrows and all these are also coming automatically. Nothing is doing, then also it just comes. Okay. Now can you hear me? Ali, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Teacher.
Okay. So when he heard what
Yes,
had
teacher.
happened, he picked up a stout stick. Stout stick means mota wala stick, right? And he picked up a stout stick and that stood in a corner and began to swish it through the air, pound on the floor, like he is just what we can striking on the floor, and he pounced in the air. He was saying, the husband and wife were both astonished to see his antics. What this man is doing here? Why he are just pouncing the stick in the air? What does it mean? So they were just astonished. They were just like, oh, what is happening, right? So what are you doing? They inquired. कि क्या कर रहे हो तुम? What's happening? Move aside, said the Gopal Bhan. He said, move aside, move aside. I have to drive away your greedy cows. What he said? I have to drive away your greedy cows. You have let them wander and now they are ruining my field beans and cucumber. What he said? कि मुझे ये तुम्हारे काउज हटाने हैं बिकॉज दे आर स्पॉइलिंग, दे आर ruined all my field. जो मेरे बीन्स और कुकुम्बर के फार्म है वो क्या कर रहे हैं? ruin कर रहे हैं, खराब कर रहे हैं. Oh my lovely field of beans and cucumber. वो लोग बोले कि then what they said? But you don't have field of beans and cucumber. That husband wife said, you don't have field of beans and cucumber, said the husband. As soon as he said that, Gopal Bhan stopped and wielding the stick and looked at him with the raised eyebrows. The husband and wife understood what he was trying to tell them. Can you tell me what he wanted to say? Bhavya and Ali, can you tell me what that Gopal Bhan wanted to say?
Yes, he wanted to say
He wanted to
they
say
were in their dream.
First,
It
let
was
the Ali
not
tell
real.
me and then Bhavya say. Come on, Ali. Let me see your opinion. What that man wanted to say to husband and wife.
Gopal want to tell the husband and wife he was in their dream.
Yes, they were making like flat, like they are building a castle, right? In their dream, in a day. So इसको हम लोग बोल सकते हैं जैसे ख्याली पुलाव बनाना, right? बोलते हैं ना कैसे ख्यालों में खोए हुए हो, जो कुछ एग्जीक्यूटिव नहीं होने वाला है, like people are using ख्याली पुलाव बनाना, right? So देवर, so now it's Bhavya's turn. Bhavya, you tell me what is your opinion about it, what that man wanted to tell.
He is telling that don't see the daydream. When you draw, then you see
Very
what
good.
we have to do.
Yeah, very good, both of you. That man wanted to say, why? Means he just showing with his expression and very nicely explained, very nicely he made them realize that right now you don't have cow, right? So why you both are quarreling with each other, right? Why you both are fighting with each other, right? Whenever you will have cow, that time you think. So that is called daydreaming, right? So now from this lesson, you got what is daydreaming? Yes, both of you,
Yes.
right? This lesson is clear. Now, let's see
Yes,
that. Yes, and here few words are there like commotion. Commotion means I told like quarrel with each other. Quarrel you can say. Then here one more word was there, and astounded like means surprise. Why this thing is happening, right? Then afterwards it was that pound. Pound means like he began to swish it through the air and a pound on the floor like striking, and swish means hawa mein ghumana, right? He is like moving his stick in the air. Okay, so these are the words. Only these few words are there, which is quite harder. Okay, so now these are the hard words. Now let's see what is given in the exercise. One by one you will answer me. Okay, so read the following words aloud and copy that you have to do. Can you read these words so that I can see how you are pronouncing them? Come on.
yes. Idle,
Huh?
enough,
Enough.
excellent,
Yeah.
commotion,
Bus. Now Bhavya.
and
Ali, stop. Bhavya.
Astounded,
Yeah.
antics,
Yes.
wonder,
Yeah.
wedding.
Very good. Now, let me ask you the questions. What did the husband want to buy? Bhavya.
The husband wanted to buy cows.
Very good. Ali, what plan did the wife make?
the plan wife made to send the meals to his sister.
Yes. What did the husband want to do with the extra milk? Bhavya.
The husband want to sell in the market with extra milk.
Okay. What did the Gopal Bhan say he was doing? Ali.
He was driving away the greedy cow of Gopalban.
Did Gopal Bhan have any field? Bhavya.
No, the Gopal don't have a fish.
What did Gopal Bhan want to tell the husband and wife? Ali.
The Gopalban want to tell the husband and wife they were in their dream.
Yes. What is the difference between the dream and a daydream? Come on. Both of you, I want your both of you's opinion about this.
Miss, can I?
Yes, Bhavya, yes. The dream means what and what is? Yeah.
Dream we see in the night, it is called dream. And we see in day, it is called daydream.
Yes. And the dream, when we are sleeping, that time we are having that dream, right? And daydream means with the open eyes, with the art talk, we are making those dreams. And we are thinking,
Yes.
So if this would happen, I will do that and that, this, that. So that is called daydream, where eyes are open and we are just creating our thought and imagination, right? And dream means when we are sleeping and something like came in our mind, and that time we are, and sometimes we don't even remember the dreams, okay, which we have in the night. But daydream, we are only building that dreams, right? So that is the difference between dream and daydream. So this lesson is clear to you, both
Yes,
of you?
teacher.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Bhavya, I just want you, okay, come on. First read the lesson. Just now you have seen where, how I stress the words, right? How I spoke. And you, what do you have to see? कि men का आवाज men के जैसे निकालना है, woman का woman के जैसे. And if you surprise, you have to show the surprise reaction. That way you have to read. Clear? जहाँ पे man आवाज है, you that should be a very strong and a louder and this way. So come on, start reading. First, Ali, you start.
Yes, teacher. Lesson number 2, daydream.
Okay.
Once a couple who spent a lot of time in idle talk. One day, the husband said, I have always wanted to keep cows. If by chance I get some extra money from somewhere, I am going to buy a few cows. But
Now-
that means a lot of work. You have to feed the cow, walk them, bath them, milk them. Cow needs a lot of looking after. Once cow food get enough, there's no need to buy more cow, said the wife.
Stop.
But
Stop. Ali, stop. Very good. Like, but Ali, you have to see when there is a full stop. So you have to pause. But that means lot of work. You have to feed cows, walk them, bath them, milk them, right? This is the way. Okay. Now, Bhavya.
But think of all the cows we'll get if we buy more, said the husband. That's true, the wife agreed. There will be so much milk that we can even have plenty of dahi and butter and ghee. Wouldn't be lovely? How lucky that I have all these earthen pots. Keep aside. I will use one of the pots for milk, one for dahi, one for butter. The ghee I will put in another jar, and I will use this remaining pot to send milk to my sister.
Good.
Send milk to your sister? Who? Miss? Who said you could send milk to your sister? There will be plenty of milk if we have so many cows. Why shouldn't I send it to my sister? But we are going to sell it in the market. That's why I will decide what to do with all the milk, and not a drop of it goes to your sister. Remember,
Okay, stop.
I will see.
Stop. Ali.
send milk to your sister. Who said you could send milk to your sister? There will be plenty of milk if we have so much cows.
Wait. I will see how you can stop me. Start reading from there.
I will see how you can stop me from sending a pot full of milk to my dear sister. I do all the hard work running after the cows, so naturally I will decide what happened to the milk. Just try
Wait.
stopping me.
Ali, you just see dear, just अभी मैंने बोला कि I will decide what will happen to the milk. है ना? वहाँ पे full stop है तो वहाँ पे एक बार stop. Means that little bit pause should be here, right? Then just try to stop me. Use such a way to read, okay? Chalo, read it. Just
Is that so? Shouted the husband. What's this? Then he began to lift and smash the earthen pot one by one. His wife began to scream.
yeah.
Gopal Band, who was passing by, heard all the commotion and rushed inside. When he heard what had happened, he picked up a stout to swish it through the air and found it on the floor. The husband and wife were both astounded to see his antics.
Okay,
What
next.
are
Bhavya.
what are you?
Ali, stop. Bhavya.
What are you doing? They inquired. Move aside, said Gopal Band. I have to drive away your greedy cows. You have let them wander, and now they have ruined my field of beans and cucumbers. Oh, my lovely field of beans and cucumbers. But you don't have a field of beans and cucumbers, said the husband. As soon as he said that, Gopal Band stopped wielding the stick and looked at them with raised eyebrows. The husband and wife understood what he was trying to tell them. Can you tell what he wanted to say?
Okay, fine. So this is clear. Now, Bhavya, right now there you are.
Yes.
Are you having your maths notebook and textbook with you?
Yes.
So Bhavya, you did yesterday. You in between attending the class, right? So I want you to solve the questions and send me on WhatsApp. Now,
Okay.
Bhavya, okay, Bhavya and Ali. Ali, in grammar only part of speech is there.
Yes, teacher.
So Ali's grammar portion is been completed, right? Now Bhavya, your
Yes.
your grammar portion apart from part of speech, what is there? What is going on in school?
Miss, we don't have a part of speech.
Part of speech means, dear, there is a noun, pronoun, verb, adverb.
Miss, verb.
Okay. So yes. So right now, what is going on in your school, Bhavya? In English, in maths, and in grammar?
Miss, English has done. 3 sec of rice was last.
Okay. So till there you have
Now
the
unseen passage is going on.
okay, unseen passage is going on. Fine. Ali.
टीचर हम लोग का बस बात हो गया.
Okay. And so Ali's portion I am having. Bhavya, your portion also I am having. But your grammar portion means like how much it is done in your school?
Miss, it is done all.
All of the portion has been done. Okay.
Yes.
Now Bhavya, in maths, what is going on in maths in school?
Miss, wait, I am seeing and telling you.
Okay. Ali, yours? Multiplication and division going on?
No, teacher, fraction.
Still fraction is going on?
Yes,
Okay. Now this session is about to end and you have to join on the same link, okay? Okay, Ali and Bhavya?
yes, teacher.
Okay. And in English, grammar, nothing is going on?
No, teacher.
And when is your exam? Any exam date came?
No, teacher.
No.
Mail is नहीं आई.
Okay, fine, no issue.